This is activity 3.8 on page 126, prompting the user for query parameters. We have the database My Cabin Rentals queries open, and our query bookings total datasheet is open in our document pane. The query does its job, but the values for the target date and rental cost are hard-coded. Of course, the rental manager could manually change these values, but that is not very user-friendly. The query would be more helpful if it just prompted the user for the target date and cost when the query is run. To accomplish this, you will configure the query to ask for these values as query parameters. So number one, we're going to add parameters to the query. We're going to switch to Design View. And on our Design Contextual tab in our Show High group, we're going to select Parameters. And in the first row of our query parameters list, in the parameters column, we're going to enter target date. And for our data type, the drop down, we're going to select date and time. Sorry, date with time. We're going to press Tab to move into our second row. And here we're going to enter target cost. And the type for this, we want to set to currency. We're going to click OK from here. Number two, revise the query criteria to use the new parameters instead of the fixed values. In the query design grid, we're going to revise the formulas as is shown. For booking start date criteria, we're going to backspace this, and we're going to do less than equal to, then in our square brackets, we want target date. And then for booking end date, we want greater than equal to, in our square brackets, target date again. Then for the total cost criteria, where we have greater than 220 right now, we're going to backspace 220 and we're going to leave the greater than, but in our square brackets, we're going to do target cost. And we're going to test out our query now, so we're going to save it. And we're going to run. And you can see it prompts us for our first parameter. We're going to type 8/25/2018 and press enter for OK. And it's going to ask us for our second. Which is target cost, and we're going to type 200 and press OK again. So this shows cabins with booking dates that include 8/25/2018 and that have a total cost of at least $200. So this shows, instead of going back and changing in your design grid every time you want to change the figures, you can just add those parameters to prompt the user of what they want to input. Okay, so it makes it easier. All right, this is the last activity for lesson 3, so we can exit from Access. And if it asks you to save your query bookings total, just click yes.